Chukwu, what exactly is your work? 2 years, you have sold phone, you have sold car, you have sold shoes, and now you are selling furniture. What exactly is your work? Now, are you like Chukwudi, that you have been selling different kind of things? I understand. I'm sure it's because you are trying to make ends meet. Country hard. That is one of the reasons why in the next 100 days, I'm going to be showing you a better way of doing this thing. How you can find purpose, how you can stay and focus on a business and build it and become a huge name. I'm going to be teaching you how to build a successful business. And even if you decide that you want to go online and you want to diversify, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. And also I'm going to be fixing that mindset of yours that has been taking you pure. Join me on this 100-day journey. It's absolutely free. Titled Mind and Money. I am going to be teaching you skills that will help you transform not just your mind but also your pocket. Click on the link below. Get registered. See you there. You know say too much garri dey cause alcohol. And you know say this your garri wey you dey take na because of Satan. Now, let me show you how you can increase your income. Let me show you ways like stop drinking garri every single day. There are other types of food. There's rice, there's beans, there's chicken, there's so many other things. But you cannot afford those things if you rely on only one source of income, which is your salary. In the next 100 days, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money both from cryptocurrency, forex, and from owning a business. And that is not just all. I'll be adding a bonus on teaching you life skills, how to get out of depression, how to handle breakup, and how to live a best life. If you are interested in turning finance around, click on the link below. Join me on this transformative journey. It is absolutely free. Stop drinking garri every time. Because I said it's free doesn't mean that the link is going to remain open forever. Get on the board. I'll see you then.
All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the next day 26. Welcome to day 26. So, sorry for technical reasons. We are trying to fix some things at the back end. So in the next 30 seconds, we should be back up. So please bear with us, exercise patience, and we'll be back shortly. Thank you.
Chukwudi, what exactly is your work? 2 years, you have sold phone, you have sold car, you have sold shoes, and now you are selling furniture. What exactly is your work? Now, are you like Chukwudi, that you have been selling different kind of things? I understand. I'm sure it's because you are trying to make ends meet. Country hard. That is one of the reasons why in the next 100 days, I'm going to be showing you a better way of doing this thing. How you can find purpose, how you can stay and focus on a business and build it and become a huge name. I'm going to be teaching you how to build a successful business. And even if you decide that you want to go online and you want to diversify, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. And also I'm going to be fixing that mindset of yours that has been taking you pure. Join me on this 100-day journey. It's absolutely free. Titled Mind and Money. I am going to be teaching you skills that will help you transform not just your mind but also your pocket. Click on the link below. Get registered. See you there.
All right. Welcome. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So I want to believe we are ready for tonight. Excuse me. All right, so welcome to day 26, right? It's been an awesome journey, and I'm sure we have been gaining massive value. We have been gaining so much value, and there are a lot of evidences, a lot of testimonies coming in. So thank you very much for everyone that has been a part of this call, right? So thank you very much. So today, we are going to be looking at a very powerful topic: how to make insane profits with cryptocurrency. How to make insane profit with cryptocurrency. All right, so we're actually supposed to have a guest, but for some reasons he went incommunicado yesterday and today as well. So I would carry the cross and we'll talk about it, right? Okay, so how do you make mad profits? Like this type of profit that we big, 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 big. Yeah, that's the kind of profit that we're talking about. How do you make mad, insane profits trading cryptocurrency? Right? Now, we are going to look at this from two angles. We're going to look at this from two angles. The first angle is how can you make money first from cryptocurrency? Yeah, what are the ways you could make money from cryptocurrency? Then the second angle will be now how can you maximize? How can you maximize making money with cryptocurrency? So let's now look at the beginning. What are the ways you can make money from cryptocurrency? Excuse me. Right. Number one is airdrop. We talked about airdrops at length. We talked about airdrops at length. And in our video, I think it was the what now? Day 10. In our video, day 10, we explained in details how you can make money from cryptocurrency with airdrops. So airdrops is still the number one, right? Number two, DEX trading. DEX trading. Now, what is DEX trading? DEX trading is simply what? Understanding how to trade on a decentralized exchange. Understanding how to trade on a decentralized exchange. That means you are buying and selling on a decentralized exchange. You're buying and selling on a decentralized exchange. That is DEX trading, right? So now, a decentralized exchange is simply an exchange where the money you are buying or the people you are buying from are not individuals. That means the monies have been deposited into the exchange, so they just run automatically. There's nobody in charge. It's 100% decentralized. There's no company, there's no human being, there's nobody in charge. The developers of the project develop their project, get their liquidity, deposit it into the liquidity pool, then you can just easily at any point in time access that. Now, what that means is that if a coin or a token has been created and there is no liquidity for it on a decentralized exchange, you cannot buy it or sell it. You cannot buy it or sell it, right? Okay, so the next is trading on an exchange. Trading on an exchange. That means like Binance and the likes of it. You know, trading on an exchange is another way you could make money from cryptocurrency. That's number three. Now, so it's very simple. It's not very simple actually, but it's not as cumbersome as it is. So basically, you just go to an exchange, create an account, log into the account, fulfill your KYC. Then after that, deposit your cryptocurrency. Then you can start trading. As simple as that. You can start trading. Right? Number 4. Over-the-counter trading, or what we call P2P. OTC or P2P trading. Now, OTC basically is the one we do in the office, right? Where, okay, somebody comes, I want to buy Bitcoin, I want to buy this quantity, or I want to sell this quantity. Then you decide, okay, why not? Come here, we buy, we sell. So you just make profit from the commissions, the small commissions. Just the same way we read the change guys make money trading, right? That's exactly how you make money trading. Just from the small commissions, right? Then number 3, a third way is private sale. Now, private sale is buying into a project before it is launched, before people know about it. That means you have been, and usually it's based on research, heavy research, or insider information. Either you paid a researcher, or you yourself, you did your research. So that's private sale. Like our project Leeway will be out very soon, any moment before the next Bitcoin halving. Our project will be out. And some people took advantage of it by buying the same token, the Leeway token, on private sale, right? So you can take advantage of investing in tokens in private sale before they are launched. Leeway, for instance, is a major token, right? Like I said, it's our token, our project. Now, the idea of the Leeway token project is education, decentralized wallet. And one of the things we are bringing out that's very powerful is that we are creating a wallet that you can interact with in your local language as Africans. That means imagine a wallet that you can interact with Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Swahili, Arabic, and the rest of them. So that's one of the products we are bringing out. And there are still so many other products. Now, as this project is not out, it's not trading on the centralized exchange, anybody that knows about it, or people that know me and know about it will say, okay, yes, I think I like the idea of what you're talking about. I want to get invested before it goes public. So that way, once we go public, when other people are looking at buying, that's when you are looking at taking your profits. So that is private sale. That's private sale. So it's simply you investing in a promising project before it gains any form of, user adoption or the rest of them, right? Then another way you can make money is through mining. Another way you can make money is through mining, right? Mining, like I talked about it in one of our recent classes. We've seen a lot of projects do mining activities with your phone, mining with your laptop, mining with a mining machine, and the rest of them. And you could make some good money with that, right? You could make some good money mining cryptocurrency, right? Another way, that's number 7 now. Number 7 way of making money with cryptocurrency is what? Staking or farming. Staking or farming. Now, staking, like I said, I think it was on Tuesday I was talking about it. Staking basically is carrying your money, just like we do in I think fixed deposit, right? Carrying your money and depositing it into a smart contract with the aim of receiving certain reward monthly or annually, right? Depositing your funds into a smart contract with the aim of what? Making small rewards weekly, monthly, or annually. And if you decide to stake, it's like locking the money down. Should there be any reason why you want to pull out your money, some platforms may not even give you that ability, while some other platforms would have to, the penalty for pulling out your money will be so discouraging that you would not want to pull it out. Right? So staking is another way you could make money trading cryptocurrency. Number next, which is number 8, if I'm not mistaken. Number 8, I'm trying not to go there, but eventually I'll still enter there. Number 8 is margin trading. Margin trading. Margin trading or leverage, let me use the word leverage because it does justice to it. So leverage trading is like futures. Let me put all of them together. Leverage, margin, and futures trading. Right? Leverage trading, margin trading, futures trading. All of these mean one thing. What I'm trying to pull out from here is the fact that you are trading with other people's money. You are trading with your broker's money. You are trading with the exchange money. So you are buying an asset. Okay, so you deposit your $10 Let me give you an instance of how margin trading works. So you see how you can make money with it. So I have $10. I deposit $10 into Binance, for instance, or any centralized exchange, right? Now, with that, I can go to margin trading and use my $10 as collateral. I can go to margin trading, use my $10 as collateral. And if I do a 10x, that means 10 times. If I do a 10x trading, it means I will deposit my $10 and the exchange will give me $100. 10 times my capital, 10x. So I will deposit my what? My $10. The exchange will give me in return, it will give me what? $100. Now I will use that $100 to trade. So long as I don't incur a loss that is equal to my capital, I can be making money and be going. What does that mean? If the market is doing well, I can turn the $100 to $200 to $300 to $400 to $500. Their own is that at the end of the day, give me back my $90 and the small interest. That's margin trading. That's margin trading, right? Number 9. Number 9, NFTs. NFTs, or let me just put them together, both NFTs, DeFi, lending, borrowing, all of them, just put them as decentralized finance. Decentralized finance. I'm trying to make sure these points are just 10. Decentralized finance. So decentralized finance is talking both about NFTs, what's the name of this last guy? NFTs, this online real estate, yeah, and borrowing, lending, and the rest of them. So all these ways. Now I'm going to focus on NFTs because that's usually one of the major ways we have seen Nigerians make money. So if you are creative, if you are creative in nature, and you can take good pictures, do good graphics, and the rest of them, there's so much money that could be made. Let me even tell you one story about an NFT. I think the NFT sold for how many $1 million? Let me see. People's NFT sold for $69 million. $69 million. Now, how was that NFT? Very simple something. As a matter of fact, I'm going to let me even share. Let me share what people bought for $69 million so you see it. So there is so much money that could be made. So much money. So this is what, men and brethren, this is what Ndimadu paid. Okay, as soon as I get it up, I will share it with you guys. Right? As soon as I can get it up. Just a minute. So now that NFT basically is a collection. Is a collection of over 5,000. Is it 5,000 days now? The guy was taking pictures. These guys were taking pictures of themselves every day for 5,000 days. Every day for what? 5,000 days. And this was used to create a collage. This was used to create a collage. And this collage was sold for big money, $69 million. I'm trying to tell you the kind of money that is in crypto. The kind of money that's in crypto. In NFTs alone. Right? So number 9, we said is what? NFTs. Then number 10 is positional trading. Okay, so this is the NFT I was talking about. So this is an everyday record. I think some other persons tried, I think it's 1,000 days or 2,000 days, and they were able to sell it too. What people are buying is the commitment and consistency. That how will somebody document their life every day for 5,000 days? Right? So this NFT sold for 69 million US dollars. Okay, so number 10, positional trading. Now, the reason I put positional trading is because that is what is going to lead us into how to make insane profits. How to make insane profits. Are you with me? Okay, so how do you make insane profits? There are two things you must understand. If you must make insane profits, there are two things you must understand. The secret to profiting massively in cryptocurrency is in these four words. I will write it and I will lift it up so you will see it. Time. Time. So what is it about time? When you buy and when you sell is simply the differentiation, or is simply what differentiates the winning trader and the losing trader. When you buy and when you sell is what differentiates a winning trader and a losing trader, a profitable trader and a non-profitable trader. Now, what do I mean by that? You bought Bitcoin, you didn't make money. I bought Bitcoin, I made money. Even though we bought the same assets, why I made money was because I bought at a lower price and sold at a higher price. But you bought at a higher price and you sold what? At a lower price. So basically, when you buy is very key to determining how much you make. When you buy is key to determining how much you make. I will still show you another diagram. And this diagram is a picture of the markets. There is point 1, there is point 2, there is point 3. Now look at this. This is a picture of just the chart for any asset. Point 1, point 2, and point 3. Now, these 1, 2, and 3 are individuals, are people. They represent people. Now, you are going to identify yourself in this chart. There are 3 types of people that trade cryptocurrency or that trade any market, as a matter of fact. Number 1 are the innovators. These are people we call smart money, innovators. Number 2 are the imitators. Innovators, imitators, and number 3 are the idiots. Innovators, imitators, and what? Idiots. When you buy is what determines whether you are an innovator, an imitator, or just a complete idiot. Now, innovators are people that they look at a project, they enter a project when nobody is talking about it. They are buying into a project when it's not. You see, anytime you start buying a coin when you are hearing it in the public, you are an idiot. There's a high tendency that in the chat, I'm not saying that in real life you are idiot. I'm just saying that you see this chat that it's for the sake of teaching. This is lesson, right? In this chat now, we are representing what? Idiot. You hear me? So what it means is that if you want to make profits, you are either the innovator or the imitator. As an idiot, you lose. Why? Because you are simply what we call exit liquidity. Exit liquidity. So people that bought in early and want to sell, they are looking for who to sell. Guess what? Here you come, Messiah. You come to buy from them. So you have been used as exit for the innovators and the imitators. So for you to make insane profit, stop being an idiot. Stop buying markets at the top. Stop it. Now we have been shouting dollar, 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 dollar since. Dollar, naira, dollar, naira. I've been shouting it since dollar was 800. Now we are going to 2005. You refuse to buy dollar till dollar was 19 yesterday. Then you now decide to buy. It now crashed to 1,300. Now you are crying. Thank God it's going back up. That's the good news because we are going to 25. We will get there. So if you like, use the information. Right? So you are either what? An innovator, an imitator, or an idiot. Now, but what will guide you? What will guide you to know when to buy and when to sell? It is what we now call the understanding of market cycle. Understanding what? Market cycle. Which is what we are talking about today. Market cycle. There are 4 phases. There are 4 phases of the market cycle. And I will still use this my chart that I used to identify idiot and the rest of them. But this time, I think I should use the marker. So, but this time in this, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are back to this. We have what? 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the 4 stages of market cycle. Look at it very well. 4 stages of market cycle. Number 1 is what we call what? The accumulation phase. Accumulation phase. Now, at this point, the market is moving almost sideways. The market is moving almost sideways. So let me give an example of what I mean. So Bitcoin maybe, let's use Bitcoin as an example. So for like 1 month, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, Bitcoin may be trading between 21,000, 20,000, 19,000, 23,000, 20,000, 22,000, 21,000. So Bitcoin is ranging within a particular area. That is after a long bull run. Now Bitcoin has been ranging around that area for a long time. That area is an accumulation phase. Once you notice that the market is ranging between an area, it's not going up, it's not coming down, it goes up, come down, go up, come down, it's just ranging within that area. So you can just typically say, okay, Bitcoin is averaging, you can just give the average price that Bitcoin is doing. That's an accumulation phase. And guess what happens in accumulation phase? That's when the smart money come in. That's when the big boys come in. Why? Because people are scared. Ah, no, Bitcoin that fell from 68,000. Now it's 21,000. You want to buy. Bitcoin don't crash. Bitcoin don't go. Bitcoin don't lose. Bitcoin don't this one. So the smart money and the innovators are buying at phase one, which is why it is called in accumulation phase. They are not going to pump all the money at once. They'll be buying it in trenches. So they want to make sure that they are buying it at an average of $20,000, $21,000. Because if they pump all the money they want at once, the price will go up very fast. And if the price goes up very fast, there's a tendency to fall down very fast. So they will be accumulating it small. Today they will buy $100,000. Tomorrow they buy $1 million. Next month they buy another $1 million. Like that, they just be buying it small. So it will not be very visible in the charts. That's the game the big boys play. And the truth is, this market cycle I just showed you, what I'm telling you about, is the market cycle for every financial market. The first phase is accumulation phase. The second phase is markup phase. Markup phase is when the price now jumps and start climbing up. So once the price now starts moving, Bitcoin has left 21,000, we are 22,000, we are 24,000, we are 25,000, now we are 30,000. A lot of people are talking about it. There's now mass hysteria. A lot of people are saying, oh, what did they happen? What are going on in the crypto space? What are going on in the Bitcoin space? You know, people are thinking, what's going on? Then a lot of people now start jumping in. These are the people that we call imitators. So they jump in and they join the markup phase. They jump in, they pump the price of the coin. Then before you know, we are at 30,000, we are at 40,000, then we are at 50,000. Then we get to 55,000. Once we cross 50,000, that's when the idiots will start coming in. So, but Bitcoin, don't they go among this Bitcoin, man, no miss am. It be like say, don't they go up. Now, once they jump in, what will happen is that the market will now start another phase of not going up, not coming down. It will start going up and down, small. It will just, as if the same way it started in accumulation phase, where it was going up and down, small, for a long time. That's what it will now start doing at that top. It will be going up and down, small. That phase is where we call what? Distribution phase. Distribution phase. Now, distribution phase is usually the phase where the idiot comes in. They are coming in when the innovators are taking profit. Now, why that market is going to be going slow is because the innovators are taking profit. The big boys are taking profit. But they are not going to take it all at once. They will not sell at once, so the price will not fall sharply. They will just be taking it small. As they are taking it, some people are buying. As they are selling, they're selling to people. People are buying. As they're selling, some people are buying. Now, remember one of the things we said, that in trading, money moves from the knowledgeable or from the most knowledgeable to the least knowledgeable. Money moves from what? The most knowledgeable to the least knowledgeable. Are you following? Now, what that means is that if you don't know, you'll be feeding the market. You'll be carrying your capital to feed the market. Right? So that's the distribution phase. Now, immediately after the distribution phase comes the very sad phase, which is called what? The markdown phase. Now, at that point, the price is going to tank and fall. When it falls, it will come and start another accumulation phase. You come and start another what? Accumulation phase. But by then, you discover that these guys have been slaughtered because the market dropped immediately they came in. Market what? Dropped. Immediately they came in. Now, this is an understanding of market cycle. This is how every market works. There's accumulation phase. There is what? Markup phase. There's distribution phase. And there's what? Markdown phase. Knowing when to buy. The best time to buy is usually in the accumulation phase or the early phase of the markup. You don't want to be buying at the distribution phase. You don't want to be buying at the markdown phase. But there are two things that controls this thing. Two powerful emotions. Fear and greed. In trading, we call it the fear and greed index. The fear and greed index. Now, what am I talking about? Fear and greed index. You buy when the market is fearful and sell when the market is greedy. I'll say that again. You are buying when the market is fearful. When people start saying, Bitcoin don't crash, Bitcoin don't crash, Bitcoin don't crash, that's when you should buy. When people start shouting, oh boy, buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin, they go $1 million, that's when you should sell. These secrets are as old as time. Human desires and human emotions will always reflect in the chart. Always. Now, once you understand market cycle, how can it help you make money? Number one, accumulate assets when the price is low and sell when it's high. So buy low and sell high, number one. Buy low, sell high. Number two is what we call DCA, dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging. Now, dollar cost averaging means if I want to buy Bitcoin and I have 1 million naira for investment, I will not use that 1 million and buy at once. Especially if I'm seeing how the market is going. I'll say, okay, let me buy 200,000 today, 200,000 tomorrow, 200,000 next tomorrow, or 200,000 this week, 200,000. Or another way you can do it, okay, crypto is going to do well in the next 2 years. Every month end, I will buy Bitcoin of 50,000 naira. That's DCA. You have spread your risk. So instead of carrying 500,000 to buy Bitcoin at once, you are buying 50,000 naira worth of Bitcoin every month for 10 months. That is DCA. You are buying consistently at fixed intervals. And it will help you to average out the purchase price. And you can benefit from what? Market fluctuation. So if the market go up later in the 5 to 10 months, the ones you bought the first month, second month, third month is in profit. If the market goes down after 5 months, the one you are buying then will be in profit once market goes back to the original phase. Right? So you want to do that. Number three is timing the market cycle. Timing the market cycle. You want to buy when the market is accumulating. And that one, you can see it from the chart. You want to buy when market is accumulating. Then sell when the market is distributing. But one thing you must understand in trading is that you can never, it's impossible to catch the exact top or the exact bottom. It's impossible to catch the exact top or the exact bottom. So you want to make sure to an extent you can capture majority of the move. by understanding what's going on in the market, right? The next one is long-term holding. Long-term holding. Focus on buying projects that have potential for growth and strong fundamental use case. Focus on buying and holding projects. Buy a project, hold it 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 8 months. In my trading community, there was a time we bought a coin and held it for 8 months. We bought that coin at $0.007. And that coin, we sold it at $0.5. Although it went on to do $1.5. We bought a coin at what? $0.7 and sold at $0.007. So what that means is that if you had $100, your $100 would have given you about 1,400 and something of the coin. Then when you sell at 0.5, I say your $100. If you have $10, $10 would have given you 1,040 something, 1,400 and something. If you sell at 0.5, your $10 would have turned to $714. Why? This is just basic long term. Long term. So you must start thinking long term. People that are focused on long-term trading make more profits. They make more profits. So start thinking long-term. Buy long-term, sell long-term. It will help you. And most importantly, exercise risk management. Exercise risk management. And by risk management, I mean diversify your investment. You want to put 1 million in cryptocurrency, don't use the whole 1 million and buy one asset. You can spread it into 100,000 when Nigerian money had value. That 100,000 now would have been 100 and something dollars. But now any amount that he give you, spread it into 100,000 each and buy 10 solid projects. There is a tendency that maybe 2 or 3 may not do well. Of course, you can't take that out. That's risk. There's a tendency that 3 or 4 may just be average, not very well and not bad. But out of that 10, maybe 3 or so, 2 or 3 may do extremely well. The profit you will get from those 2 or 3 will knock out all the profit or all the loss you made. In fact, it will cover up for everything. It will cover up for every investment you made. Very simple strategy. Risk management. Diversify your investment portfolio. Don't use your whole capital to buy one coin. It's wrong. If it does well, you make money. If it doesn't do well, you lose your whole capital. And that's the reason why a lot of people hate crypto. They came into crypto and the first thing they went to buy is Shiba Inu. Is Shiba a bad coin? No, but they bought it at the top. And buying at the top means what? Your exit liquidity for people. So if you use your whole capital to buy at the top, when you blow your capital, you go back and start preaching that this forest thing, na scam, last, forest na scam, and the rest of them. All right, so this is where I'm going to bring this meeting to a close. I want to believe you gained value, right? So if you gained any form of value, like I always say, share the video with your friends. If you're not following me on YouTube, on social media, follow me, subscribe to the YouTube channel, drop a positive comment, like the videos, and feel free to share them with your friends. All right, so this is where we are going to draw the curtain for tonight. And tomorrow, day 27, This thing is coming and is running and is going chap chap. So tomorrow we are going to be looking at 6 habits that will turn you to a success. 6 habits that will turn you to a success. One of my friend and brother will most likely be live tomorrow, and it's going to be amazing. Toby Gadu will be live tomorrow and he'll be sharing 6 habits under Millennial Mentorship or Millennial Wisdom. 6 habits that will turn you to a success. Right? If you do what successful people do, you are going to be very successful. All right. So on that note, I want to say thank you very much. Till I come your way again tomorrow. God bless you.